Wires are conductor. Wires disconnects all the energy source and the load, and they are represented in a straight line. Resistors. The resistors controls the electric current that passes through them, and as well as the voltage in each component connected to them. Resistors are shown having a multiple bends, illustrating resistance to the movement of charges. Load or bulb or lamp. This is the light bulb in the circuit. This is also refers to the power consumed by a circuit. The multiple bends of the filament indicate that the light bulb behaves as a resistor. The symbol of the filament of the bulb is often enclosed in a circle to emphasize the enclosure of a resistance in the bulb. Power source. These are either electrical or battery, and in our case, we use battery to provide power to the load. Difference in the line length indicates a potential difference between positive and negative terminals of the battery. The longer line represents the positive terminal of the battery. Switch. This controls everything because it opens and closes the circuit. The small circles indicates the two places where the switch makes contact with the wire.
What is electric circuit? An electric circuit is an interconnection of electrical components or a model of such consisting of electrical elements, which is also a network consisting of a closed loop, giving a return path for the current. In short words, an electric circuit is a path for transmitting electric current.
A series circuit is a circuit in which resistors are arranged in a chain, so there is only one path to take. The current is the same through each resistor. The total resistance of a circuit is found by simply adding up the resistance value of the individual resistors. In a series circuit, the current that flows through each of the components is the same, and the voltage across of the circuit is the sum of the individual voltage drops across each component. A parallel circuit. A parallel has certain characteristics and basic rules. A parallel circuit has two or more paths for current to flow through. Voltage is the same across each component of the parallel circuit. The sum of currents through each path is equal to the current that flows from the source. In a parallel circuit, all components are connected across each other, forming exactly two sets of electrically common points. A branch in a parallel circuit is a path for electric current formed by one of the load components. In a series circuit, the output current of the first resistor flows into the input of the second resistor. Therefore, the current is the same in each resistor. Resistors in parallel. Resistors are said to be connected together in parallel when both of their terminals are respectively connected to each terminal of the other resistor or resistors. Unlike the previous series resistor circuit, in a parallel resistor network, the circuit current can take more than one path as there are multiple paths for the current. Then parallel circuits are classed as current dividers. Since there are multiple paths for the supply current to flow through, the current may not be the same through all the branches in the parallel network. However, the voltage drop across all of the resistors in a parallel resistive network is the same. Then, resistors in parallel have common voltage across them, and this is true for all the parallel connected elements.
Which is much better, a series or a parallel circuit? Parallel circuit is much better than a series circuit because it has individual switch that gives to the appliances or in any apparatuses. It also avoids problem. If one of the loop is damaged or it disconnected, in parallel circuit, only one loop will be damaged and the other loops remains powered. This circuit is commonly used in buildings and especially at home. The connection of the parallel circuit, it gives the resistance to flow of the current compared to the connection in the series. But there is also a disadvantage of using parallel circuit. In some cases, it causes risk of fire and also includes the split of energy sources across the entire circuit. Parallel circuit is more reliable and it is safe to use rather than the series circuit, and it is commonly used.
In summary, electric circuit is a pathway of electrons which composes of source or the battery, the conductor or the wire, and the load which is the bulb. And the electric circuit has two types, which is the parallel circuit and the series circuit, wherein the amount of current that flows in the parallel circuit varies, while in a series circuit, the amount of current that flows through is the same.